small company video. We've got this guy over here. I might shoot him. I don't know. I probably won't shoot, but this guy. Where's the weed rat thing? Where's the weed rat
He's
thing?
there, see him. He's right there.
Hold on, guys.
And this weird rat
It's
thing.
PvP disabled.
This weird rat thing. I'm gonna shoot him.
No, don't shoot me. I'm just a little mole.
You're not a mole. That's a Weezer.
Alright,
It's a
guys.
Taken out.
Tonight we get
Bro, you got that
Lavarocks.
job, bro. I'm so sorry. I had to point that out, but you got a fat ass.
Wait 1 second. I'm gonna sell my Lavarocks real quick.
Wait 1 second. I'm gonna say my love rocks. I'm sorry.
I love your accent. It's like
There we go. Seller boys. Where the hell did you come from?
sell?
Look at him. Why do you spend money on this game, bro? I'm sorry, but why?
What? What is?
Like, why?
Could you guys explain me what is this for? What is that for?
It's where, like, if you throw an item inside of here, it's like a storage thing that only you can access. Right?
Use on grapplers or any type of thing.
And then it goes in here.
Everyone, we need to grab bags. We need to grab some bags. Come on.
But you have
Okay.
to buy this?
No. It's just free extra storage for yourself. Little tape of fake, the moon is massive. Oh, I'm cooking, let him.
Cat person, come
I
over
stole a
here.
bag.
I'm gonna buy my equipment real quick.
Grab it.
I
You
stole
want a
it.
pickaxe? There you go.
Oh,
Okay.
I was about to buy me a pickaxe, but I don't know.
I stole
Okay.
a bag from a kid,
Just grab,
and I
just
put
grab
it in my
a,
storage
just
thing.
grab a,
Like, I
grab a
stole a-
flashlight. Grab a flashlight. Can you? Okay. Can you get some more grapplers
Can
for
you stop
us?
jerking me off? Like,
What?
Can you get some more
What?
grapplers for us?
Okay. I can do that.
oh
Okay.
shit. Look out, y'all. Yeah.
Oh my eyes!
Cause you got that wrist.
Okay, so pretty much, I stole this bag from this kid, right? Like a long time ago, and I just had it, and now it's in my storage. I have no idea what's in there. I'm pretty sure.
Guys,
like,
come on, let's go! Shoot.
Bro, how you died like that, bro?
How did he die?
Kia.
Hey, try to bang a fern.
Hold on. What happens if I? Does it become a storage now?
Bro, let's play Getting Over It. Look.
It
Alright, let's go.
does.
Wait 1 second. I need my light. Where's my light gone?
Because, huh?
You got that wrist.
Tickle you.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Gonna be popular.
What are the balloons?
Guys, hold on. Wait for me.
What do the balloons do in this game?
Blow them. Blow.
They what?
Why is there a spider in the wall?
Ah! I see it! Bitch, I see it! Less spider. Wait, so what do the balloons do?
They can kind of have a bit of zero growth. They can have a bit of zero growth.
Oh.
Come to the entrance of the cave.
Oh. Edge.
Where are you guys?
Oh
We're
my
at the
gosh,
very
entrance
beginning
of
of-
caves.
We're at the very beginning of the cave. Yeah, we're up here. Okay, he sees us. Whatever, let's go. I'm Spider Pug.
I'm Spider Cat.
Oh, why has it changed again? The thing's changed again. Okay, guys, we're
Did
gonna.
you got that wrist?
Where's the elf spider?
Oh, mom's
No, but we need to find where the entrance, like, to the thing is.
Yo, Willie.
No, this is the dead end. Cat, where have you gone, cat? Mo.
He's gone right there.
Oh God.
Guys,
Bro,
come on.
Cat, why
It's over
did you
here, I
get-
think. Don't go this way.
Oh shit!
Do you know what block you on?
You wanna play mini games? You wanna play
Yeah.
mini games?
He does.
Guys, come on, let's go.
He doesn't want to play mini games.
I'm pretty sure he's right behind us.
Guys.
CR7. Reason points. Those are mine. They're mine. Reason points.
Guys, come on.
Ooh.
Wait.
More research points.
Give me some
More
help.
research points. No research points for you.
I don't know about a broke it.
Go. Forward.
Oh.
Guys, come on.
I just got caught in the spider web.
Come on.
Oh my god. Are these for the tech tree? Like these?
Yeah, these are for
ones?
those of the tech tree. Come on. Stop going in the spider web. Stop farting. Shoot.
You bloody.
I'm glad you're shooting it. I'm glad you're
He's died, but I've lost all my ammo. We have to run. Run. Just run.
He's saying run.
Guys, over here. Hurry up.
I'm hurrying, bro.
There's gold right here, guys. Ooh.
I am hurrying my ass behind you.
We need to find the
Alright, I'm
lava cave. We need to find lava cave.
Bro, where are you guys?
We need to find
There
lava
you are.
cave. We need to find lava cave.
Come on, kid, let's go.
Yeah, guys, over here.
We lost him. He's in there. Bruh, where is he? He went over here. Oh, come on.
Come on, you
on.
scared me. You.
Bro, where's he going?
Cat, go the other way. Hello? We're gonna leave you behind.
Sorry.
Guys, spider's back.
He found a spider. He found it. It's fun.
Guys,
That's
guys, come on. Come on.
Oh my god,
Yes,
wait.
he's spider.
I'm stuck.
Then don't be
Oh my
stuck
god,
then.
spider's getting closer.
Spider.
I'm only one
Don't move.
stop.
This spider can't move. It only moves when you move.
You think of Jurassic
one
Park.
Guys, are the Valentine boxes still in the game?
Hey guys, we're just gonna run.
We're gonna run. He's right. He's right.
Come on. Should I go
He was
get him?
talking in the
Guys,
his.
I died.
Oh my god.
He
I'm not
died?
going back to get him.
Okay,
I'm
so
sorry.
you're gonna have to try and come
wait for
all the
me?
way back down.
Damn, why is this? Bro, I know how to get out of the map, and this mine is huge.
Can you wait for me?
Yeah, come back down. We're gonna be in like the middle area. Do you know where's the way you can jump down? Do you know where you can jump down? Yeah, it's gonna be there. Wait, you back already? Oh, no, it's just you.
I don't know the way.
Oh my gosh.
What are these? Like, what do the lava rocks look like?
Do you remember? I'll put them in the machine.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna have to go all the way back up.
Guys, I don't know.
Oh my god.
I don't know the way. If you just please wait for me.
Wait 1 second, I'm gonna grab this.
Guys, hello.
I know, we're coming
We're
back,
coming
we're
back
coming
to
back.
get you.
Shoot, I fell.
Hello.
We're coming back now.
Did you guys get my stuff?
No.
No.
Bruh.
Come on, let's go. Like, what's up, danger?
Bro, that leap of faith killed me.
Danger? Pff, there's no danger
Like, what's
here.
up, danger?
There's no danger here.
Like, what's up?
Never mind, there is danger.
Guys, my stuff's over here.
When I say I'm out of here, do not play around.
Guys, in 3, 2, 1,
This
we're gonna
spider
jump
can't
in.
move if you're
Guys,
not moving.
my stuff's over here.
Yep, I can
This
see
spider
it.
only moves when you move.
Okay.
If you stop moving, he won't move.
You're thinking of the red light, green light.
No, I'm not. No. That's literally how it works if you do this. He won't move because you're not moving.
Chill. Like, I remember my grapple was like right here. Hold on. Guys, wait.
We're just up here, bro.
I could
See,
die.
don't move,
I don't
see?
have grapple like
It
you
only
got.
moves when it detects movement, yo. See? We ain't moving that much, so it's not gonna move.
He's dead. He's got a fat ass.
Grapple.
Shake it. Okay, guys, we need to run before he
Hold
respawns.
on, I need my grappler. I'm looking for it.
Brother, it's gone. We
Where
gotta
is
go. We're on a mission, yo.
We gotta go.
Mission.
We gotta move.
Move, bitch, move.
Oh, I'm grabbing
Shit,
these.
every-
Shrek.
I really need my grappler.
Look, there. Yeah, here, grappler.
Where?
Look up.
It's up there.
I could get it. Kobe.
Yeah. Alright, cool.
It's the exact same way. Go this way. Let's see.
Guys, I think I know
Guys,
the
this way, this way.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he respawned. He's back.
What the hell? Everybody was kind.
Okay, no, come back. Like, what's up,
Child,
danger? Oh, coin.
What?
Go on, go down.
Give me that business for.
Hey, guys,
Brother,
do not
someone-
hit the green thing. Do not hit the green thing. That will
I'm not
reset
trying
you
to.
back.
I'm trying to
That
get
will
that
reset you back. Guys, come on. This way. Be careful, spiders are here, I think.
You got that wrist
Yep,
restriction.
spiders
Spider's
back.
here. Oh, yeah, see? Don't move when you're not moving, see? Wait right here, wait.
They don't like.
Come on, go, 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 go.
I trust you,
God.
British boy.
British boy.
trust you with my
Oh
life.
my god, look at how much gold is right here.
Bro, we
Come
gotta
on,
go. We're
cat.
on a mission, yo.
Come on, guys. Hurry. Come on, you furry.
How many times are you gonna say that?
Hurry up, you furry.
What?
Throws the F slur.
Oh my god, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Go on.
You're just gonna...
Those are my business points. No. Those are my business points.
Brother, we gotta go, bro.
We need to find the bunker entrance.
Bro,
It's not over here. How's it not over here? Yo, Pug,
Yeah?
Pug. What happened to the 3 suitcases you had?
What do you mean?
I remember you from a different lobby. You had 3 suitcases.
Oh, I don't think I had 3 suitcases. Guys, go up.
wait, when do I get my gems from these, like, little things?
Spider back, spider back.
Spider-Man's back. Who's that? Yeah! I got a yeah!
Okay. Guys, we need to find this thing. Guys, we need to find where this
Right,
cave
When do I
is.
get my crystals? When do I get my texture crystals from those?
Yeah, you have to mine out. It has like
In the next 700 years. What does this do?
Don't
Hey
touch
guys,
it. It respawns you back.
guys, try and go
Okay,
here.
no,
Try and go over here, guys, over here. Come
We're
on,
here.
you weird-looking cat.
What?
Bro,
What did you just
I'm
call me?
literally following you. This
A
kid is
weird-looking. Guys, it's over here. It's over here.
What did you just call me, British puppy boy?
An ugly cat. Guys, I found the bunker.
What does the bunker do? What is this?
Yeah, cat, come down. Like, what's up,
Let's
danger?
go down this gate. That's what I'm getting. Oh, I'm getting.
Come on, bro. Oh my god. You're the one.
I'm not gay. I'm not gay. I'm not gay. That's not the lava place is gay. Maybe you guys are. I'm not gay. I'm not gay. I'm not gay. Did you get that?
I'm just...
Could you get that?
It was pitch black in this bitch.
Should be like over here. Last one to the lava place.
Put your hands down when you fall down. Put your hands down.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god, you were the last one, Cat.
The dots.
No,
The
I
dot
wasn't. You
things.
were the last
The
one.
dot things are like the bad things, so we don't go near them. And if they look onto you, try and go behind the pole. If they look onto you, don't try and go behind the pole.
Guys, look at
Wait, what am I avoiding in this one?
The dot things, the dots.
the pupil. It's called, you're avoiding the pupil.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna use that
Avoiding
sugar.
the pupil. You got that? You got that? Wait.
Don't go near the heart thing. That will send you all the way back.
What do I do when I see the people?
How many bling rings could you get in 1 second? There's a lot of ore up here.
So don't go near the heart thing. It'll send you all the way back to spawn.
Again. Just grapple yourself onto this so you're more sturdy.
No!
Shit, we're dropping it. Oh no, he's cooked.
Shoot! Don't make it see you! Don't make it see you! Don't let it see you!
I survived. I don't know if that kid.
Cat,
He didn't.
are you alive? Cat!
Oh, they survived. Oh my god, we're go.
Guys, there's a piece of lava under here. There's a piece of lava
Yeah.
under it.
Oh, and look at them. There's one right there too.
I'll get it.
Yeah.
Oh god, this is like kind of hard. I don't think I can get it.
Shit.
Okay.
Just do this, y'all. It's not that hard.
Got it!
No, I didn't really.
Got
I
it!
didn't get it, but
He got it. He got it.
I almost.
Okay,
got
put it in someone's bag. Grab, put it in your bag. Put it in
Put
someone's
it in the
bag.
cat's bag.
I got it.
Cat. Cat,
What?
put it in your bag.
What?
Put
No.
the lava
Eyes
crystal
coming over here.
in your
They're coming over.
bag.
They're coming over here. They're coming over here.
That?
Yeah, put it in. There we go.
Okay, okay.
Right, put it in.
They're coming over here, y'all. They're
I
right
did.
there. I need to get a bow and
There's a
arrow.
lot over there. Let's go.
In every game I play, I'm so good with it. Oh, oh shit.
pillar! Move behind the pillar! Cat, run! Cat, no, cat. Thank God, cat, you're still okay.
Guys, there's a lot of orals here if you can see me.
Yeah, I can see you, cat.
Right here. You know what's crazy?
What's up? Okay. Here, I'm gonna start breaking it. I'll break it and y'all can collect it.
I'll collect it.
Here, ready?
What the heck? Got that one.
I'll keep a lookout. Here. Got right here, right there.
Where?
They're all right there.
Oh god, I don't think I'm about to get it. I'm gonna get this one. Get that one. Hold on. Oh my god!
No, can't help.
Okay, there's a lot
Just do
of
this.
them.
Just jump up here, jump down and grab it.
Sort of thing.
I'll get that. I'll get this one.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go to that pink crystal over there. Do you see it?
You sure?
Guys, are we just gonna leave now?
Guys, wait, don't let them see you. Don't let them see you. There's one over there. I've been seen by two.
Where are you?
Out of here now.
I'm going to the purple crystal. That's it.
Alright.
Have you died? Has anyone died?
No, I don't think it.
Did it. I made it. I just made it out right now.
Don't go near the heart. Don't go near the heart. It'll reset you back.
Is that how you get it?
That's how you get out, but we don't want to go out yet.
Alright. Where are you at? Like,
Do you know where I said like the pink crystal?
I see you.
But we really need those guys that like grab items for you. Then they go hunt them instead.
Get there's one here. There's one here.
You guys, I'm just.
Cal, jump out
Wait, but are you guys going? Are you guys getting out now?
I'm gonna go get these lava.
Wait, can we do them after?
Okay. Hello? Yeah, there you are. I'm up here.
Oh, yeah. I just got these crystals.
Don't go near the heart thing. Don't go near the heart thing. Do you see that?
Look out!
Yep. Do you see that one over there? You see the heart over there? Don't go to it.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, that's. Where are you?
I'm right here.
Come at me! So do you know what I might go? Do you see that? Do you see those purple? Do you see over there the purple crystals?
Danger.
Yeah.
Yeah. died? Has anyone died?
No one. I'm still alive.
Okay. Hey, can someone come over to me and grab these? I've got tons of lava crystals over here.
Can we do more crystal capture?
There's some there.
Come on, I need to put this down.
Yeah. Cat, come on. Wait, no. Come on, we need to get up. Okay, it didn't hit us.
There, put my pickaxe right there. Or should I jump there? Alright.
One
I might need to
second.
go back soon because my headset's low.
Okay. Let me
Are you
just.
guys almost done in there?
Yeah, but we're gonna leave soon.
Alright.
Don't forget this one.
What? Ah, I've got them. Okay. Okay, I'll say that it's been a good run, so should we go head back?
Yeah.
Cat?
Yeah, we're gonna go back now.
He
yeah?
already died. He died a while ago.
Wait, did he die?
Yeah, he died like so long ago.
Cat, did he die?
No, I didn't die. It's because I got out of there with my crystal.
Just go in! Go in! Yo!
It literally exploded the second I left.
I know.
Really?
I was so
It exploded the second.
You guys, wait. I don't want to. No, hold on. Can we dupe it? Can we dupe it?
How do I dupe it?
Hey, dog. Do you know how to dupe?
I think it's something with the Wi-Fi, but I don't know how to work my Wi-Fi.
Yeah. So
Yeah, me
I know
neither.
how to do it. So first, you're gonna need like a what do you call it?
Pickaxe?
The
Teleportation.
TNT. First, you're gonna need a TNT. Then you're gonna, when you blow yourself up, you're gonna quit the game, turn off your Wi-Fi, and then turn your Wi-Fi back on, and then.
I think I might just sell mine because I feel like that's way too much work.
Oh no, it isn't. It's actually easy.
Okay.
But-
Cat?
You
and also, I don't know.
You just blow yourself up with the TNT, and then just turn your Wi-Fi off.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll get the bottom row.
Alrighty.
Cat, you put your stuff in from the top. Put your stuff in
Yeah,
from the
I got
top.
bottom. No,
So
put it in
you
from
got
the top.
bottom. Cat,
Top.
you go up and go up there. Up there and put them in. I'm middle.
Yeah.
Cutting on that response.
Alright, I'm gonna start selling in a couple seconds.
Hold on, no.
Okay, I grab my revolver.
Oh shit!
He died. You okay?
The thing ate him.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm gonna be back online in like an hour.
What
or
the
two.
fuck?
Okay. Okay, by the
Here,
way.
do you just want my bag? Do you just
Okay.
want my bag? It has nothing in it. I already
No,
have a bag like this.
buy me all of the stuff I had.
Here,
Buy me my
bro.
stuff.
Do you not want this bag? Here,
No,
you have
I-
my bag.
I want my stuff back. I said not to do it. I want a grappler too.
I don't
We're
know.
gonna play Russian roulette.
How do I take this out? Like, how do I take stuff out? Oh, I just drag it. Okay.
What do you even do with this? How does it work? How does this
I don't really know. I'm just putting stuff in there. Oh, okay. I'm gonna teach you, right?
So where's the
So,
storage?
To enter a password, you just do anything you want, right? And then you throw anything you want to keep in here, throw it in there, and then it'll
Okay.
disappear, right?
Yeah.
So also throw that bag in there, cause you don't want anyone to steal it. So throw it in there, right?
Okay.
Oh shit, you don't have enough storage. So just click any buttons right here, like 4
know.
of them, right? And then you open it. How much storage do you have?
Like
You
what
gotta
do mean?
drag and drop the item onto over here, and then walk away, and then it'll spawn. Also, you drop this. You don't have enough storage.
Oh, it spawned.
Yeah, you need to put. No, you don't have enough storage. Put this in there. There. You need to get more storage. Peace, gang.
Pew pew. I'm just gonna fill a bag full of stuff.
Guys, who wants to play Russian roulette?
No, I'm good.
Where's the other guy?
I don't know. He's in Tech Tree, I think. Unlocking stuff.
Oh yeah, I need to go and grab something from Tech Tree. Is he in Tech Tree? No, he isn't. He's not in Tech Tree.
Yeah, where are you guys?
I'm in Tech Tree.
No, like what part of Tech Tree?
I'm going to grab an umbrella.
You could just buy it from the regular station.
Yeah, I don't have it unlocked. That's why I'm going. Shoot, shoot.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Is that umbrella there?
You can't predict the future. You... Push it off. TNT channel. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding.
Cat.
Yeah, but I'm gonna join a public and start killing people and stealing their loot.
Hey, cat.
Bye bye.
Always has been.
I have no ammo. What? I don't even see no ammo. Your red watch. No, I'm just kidding.
Anyway, so guess what? No,
I don't
guess
really
what?
need that. I need that. Dang it. How are you not dying your red watch? Like, you're literally red watch.
Wait 1 second. Can you put something in?
I don't really want to put this in. I'm good. Alright, I'm gonna join a public.
Wait. Wait. Cat.
The other guy left, so
I know, cat. Come here. Cat,
yeah. Who are you?
come to the
Over
bridge.
here.
The bridge of completement.
Okay. I'll come to the bridge.
It's been an honor playing with you, and this is just like Toasty does his outros. Bye.
Bye.
I miss that guy. Nice.
So guys, if you want to go to the
Wait,
lava
who's-
map, you're just gonna
who's
have to
doing
make
the
sure you
series
don't
run?
fall. Hell no, oh no. Trim me out. Let's go.